Indonesia, the land of future, maybe. Today, I wanna talk about Bantar Gebang landfill, the seven summits of garbage mountains in Indonesia. This is the largest landfill in Southeast Asia. Hey, don't be proud. This is not an achievement, This is something simple. Hey. Now I wanna talk about something we often ignore, but it's one of the biggest environmental crises happening right now in Indonesia. It's about the massive landfill site called Bantar Gebang, the largest in this region. And the situation there is really alarming, Bantar Gebang covers an area of about 104 hectares. Imagine, roughly 145 football fields full of trash. It's really huge. The mountain of waste here has already reached a staggering height of 60 meters. That's as tall as a 16-story building. And every day, around 7,500 of garbage is dumped here, mostly from Jakarta, the bustling city life. And the total accumulated garbage is mind-blowing, nearly 39 million tons piled up over the decades. Wow! But here's the problem. Bantar Gebang is overwhelmed. The landfill is almost full, with only about 20% of the space left, and the ground is unstable. And in recent months, there have been dangerous landslides and infrastructure failures, including broken retaining walls and damaged roads. These events even block access for the trucks and workers, making the problem worse. The consequence don't just die in the landfill. The people living nearby suffer the most. Thousands of families breathe in the toxic pungent smell, and the money for the smell compensation they receive, about 300,000 rupiah per month per family, is barely enough for the health problem they face. They report headache, respiratory issues, and constant discomfort, and sometimes needing to buy air freshener, disinfectant, even wood covers just to survive the stench. Worse, their well water is contaminated pellets, the poisonous liquid from decomposing waste, making the water unsafe for drinking up to 5 kilometers away. Imagine living every day with this smell, the risk of sickness, and the fear the mountain of trash could collapse and bury your home. This is not just environmental issue, this is human crisis, Bantar Gebang has been operating since 1986, accepting nearly 1,200 trucks per day full of Jakarta garbage. Despite all efforts, there's no alternative solution, and the problem keeps growing. And just last year, in October 2023, there was a big fire at the landfill, sending thick black smoke into the sky, a health hazard for entire region. The people living around Bantar Gebang demand more than a small compensation. They want clean water, healthcare, education, and proper attention from the government, because right now the money they get doesn't match the risks and suffering they endure. So why should we care? Because this landfill isn't just a local problem, it's a wake-up call for all of us. It shows how our massive waste production can spiral out of control if we don't act, and it reminds us how environmental damage hits the poorest communities the hardest. We all create waste, but it's our responsibility to reduce it, recycle more, and push for better waste management solution. If Jakarta's garbage mountain keeps growing, it will become a mountain of crisis. So, let's raise awareness because real change starts when we face the truth and demand action before it's too late. See you tomorrow and have a nice day.